I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we're exploring one of my favorite beaches in Barcelona, Bogatell Beach. This urban paradise is the perfect place to soak up some sun, relax, and have some fun. Located just a short walk from the city center, Bogatell Beach is easily accessible and perfect for a day trip. The beach is long and wide, making it ideal for sports like volleyball or beach soccer. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try your hand at stand-up paddleboarding or even windsurfing. One of the things that sets Bogatell Beach apart from other beaches in Barcelona is its vibrant atmosphere. There's always something going on here, whether it's live music, street performances, or beachside markets. It's the perfect place to mingle with locals and get a taste of the city's unique culture. But Bogatell Beach isn't just about fun and games, it's also a great place to relax and unwind. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!